One of the critical differences in Crucible marriage therapy is that the therapist focuses on dealing with what's happening in the session right now. So as a Crucible therapist, I'm going to spend a lot less energy talking about what happened last week or last year, and I'm actually going to stop and say, I noticed what you were doing right now. And so that might be, I noticed that you have a condescending tone towards your partner, or I noticed that you get really emotional when you talk about this thing, or I noticed that it's so hard for you to step into conflict with your partner. In Crucible therapy, we call this dealing with what's happening right in front of you. And it's the hardest part of being a Crucible therapist, but it's also the most effective kind of therapy.